Welcome to Mass Mastro, and today, as a question of the day, we are going to discuss one very interesting question which was actually asked in entrance examination for bachelor program in Indian Statistical Institute, and this was last year 2020. You can see the question on your screen now, and we will solve this. This question is little tricky, but if you are conceptually aware how to do it, I mean, if your concepts are clear, it is going to be very easy, and we will see in the video further that how easy actually it is to do this kind of question. Before I forget, I would like to request all my friends who are watching my video to kindly subscribe to my channel. You can just press the bell icon, which is just below this video on the YouTube, written subscribe. It is a red color button. Just kindly click that button, and you will get subscribed to my channel. And in case you want to ask anything or say anything, you are requested to go to the comment box and comment section and make your comment. I'll be happy to respond to them. And I will take you to screen mode to actually solve this question, which you can see on your screen. And we will further. So this is the question, friends. Okay, the question says that actually it's a function given this way: f of g of x is x, and first prime f prime x is 1 plus a function square, and we have to find g prime x in this case. The two conditions which are available here is given here, and on the basis of these we have to find this particular thing. In this case, actually, we need to find actually g prime x, which means that we need to actually differentiate this function. Uh, that is the only way of getting g prime x. And while differentiating, we will actually use a cyclic rule to actually differentiate this. So this will actually, normally whenever we differentiate a function, we write d of f of x, and here I will write g of f of gx dx, and this right side dx is already there, so this x is already there, so when it is differentiated with respect to x will become 1. Now in this case, the variable here is another function in case of x. So we need in between something to actually differentiate this. So what can be done in this case? I will differentiate this function. Instead of x, I'll take differentiate this with respect to gx. So I'll put it d of f of gx, and then d of gx here, and to actually neutralize this one, I'll do a cyclic delta of g of x over dx is equal to, we have just done it here, computed as 1. Therefore we get actually f prime of gx, and this here we get actually g prime of x, and the value of this is actually 1. Here it is given the first prime of f is this much, so we can substitute instead of x, if we substitute gx here, what are we going to get? We will get gx is equal to 1 plus f of g of x here, and this will be actually a square, and here it is already given f of g of x is actually x, so we can replace entire thing here by x, and this will come as 1 plus x square. Therefore we get f prime g of x is equal to 1 plus x square. Therefore if we just substitute this value in this equation here on the top of this, and from where we will bring the value? From this side. Okay, if we just substitute here, we will get 1 plus x square g prime of x is equal to 1. Therefore g prime of x is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. This is the answer. In this case actually the correct option will be option A, and this is the way this should be solved. I mean, if you know it, it is not going to take much time. Although I have taken some time to actually explain the question well, but if you are aware about the rules and the concepts, it will take not more than 30 seconds to actually do this. Right, friends, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, I would again request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and share this videos to your friends whom you think can benefit from this video. Those who are in schools and trying to preparing for competitive examinations. Right, I'll be back again with another video tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.